Paws season 2 is confirmed already, and for the latest news concerning the listing date for Paws, everything in this video. So welcome everyone to the latest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel or you are yet to subscribe, it's very simple. Click on the subscription button and join my team. So now, after all the noise, all the waiting, Paws has confirmed without any shadow of doubt that there will be season 2. And there was a post that was dropped yesterday by Paws on their X channel, which is Paws 2.0. And you see the picture just like this. You see Paws. Then when you observe the picture, you're going to discover something there. Wednesday. The question you might be asking, is it the listing date or the date for the season 2 they talked about? So a lot of information, a lot of rumor have been spreading about this season 2. Some even says that this season 2, that 50 billion token out of the allocation will actually be assigned for season 2. So now I proceeded to their Discord channel. So I discovered the message that was dropped by the admin in response to the questions people are actually asking about lack of communication to the community. And this is what I find out here. You see the first one talking about the Wednesday, maybe it is this Wednesday or next Wednesday, that the second part, people complain about communication and they highlighted it there down below that you see their response that this Wednesday there will be what? An announcement. So we're waiting just barely 24 hours now for Paws to actually give us the announcement of the listing and when this season 2 will be starting. But I want to ask you this simple question. With everything, the delay and all the delay tactics of Paws over the months, are you still going to participate in season 2, or you want to wait to see how Paws will actually perform after listing before you make up your mind? Drop it in the comment section of this video. And concerning the listing of Paws, for now, no specific date has been chosen. And if you look at what Paws drops, it said paused next Thursday weekend. So we are not sure, because these people, they are trying to actually play on our emotion by not coming out straight to let us know what is going on. They just want us to talk or just want to put us in suspense, which a lot of people in the community are actually not buying into it. So drop your thoughts in the comment section of this video. What do you think about Paws tactics season 2 and every other thing concerning listening? Everything in the comment section of this video. You get the point? And if you want to start making money from non-Telegram airdrop, testnet and node projects, Alpha A project, check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram channel. You're going to see lists of testnet and node project. You need to start farming right away. You get the point? And in case you don't know, Paws will actually be listing on both Solana and BSB. That's a Binance Smart Contract, two different chains. You get the point I'm making? So we have to hope for the best and expect the worst, but I hope I believe that the Paws won't disappoint the community. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be right.